Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to determine the polarity of XeF4 molecule. It is a chemical formula for xenon tetrafluoride, and to determine its polarity we are first going to look at the Lewis structure, followed by the arrangement of atoms, and then we will check the electronegativities of atoms as well as we will check if there are any lone pairs on it. So when you look at the Lewis structure of XeF4, it is somewhat like this, where we have xenon in the center, we have 4 fluorine atoms that are surrounding the xenon atom, and there are 2 lone pairs of electrons on the central atom. Now this structure is quite symmetrical because all the 4 fluorine atoms are arranged in opposite directions. So even though fluorine is more electronegative than the xenon atom, the electronegativities will cancel out each other due to this symmetry. Generally, the molecules that have a symmetrical distribution of electrons or atoms, they do not have any polarity, and there is no net dipole moment in this molecule. So even though fluorine atom here is more electronegative than the xenon atom, there will be no net dipole moment in this molecule. There are also 2 lone pairs of electrons on the xenon atom, but as I mentioned, as there are no net dipole moment in this molecule, it will not be affected by this lone pairs of electrons, and hence, as there are no poles in this molecules, XeF4 is a non-polar molecule. I hope this video helps you to understand the polarity of XeF4, and for more such videos on Lewis structure, molecular geometry, polarity of the molecules, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.